This is an extension task for those that want to take programming a little bit further. We're going to make a Simon Says game, which randomly produces a pattern of lights, 5 different flashing lights on your programming board, and then you want to mimic, or you've got to copy that pattern of lights, and if you do it correctly it'll tell you, and if you do it incorrectly equally your programming board will tell you you've done it wrong. So let's just start up. Let's start by going to the gallery, start by putting in a start function, and also that's incorrect. I want to start the game when push to make 1 is pressed. Equally, if at any time during the game I want to go back to the beginning, I want to put in a command where when both of these push to make 1 and push to make 2 are pressed, then it will reset. So there we go, there's our reset. And of course, because this is asking a question, we need a yes and a no. We're going to produce some random variables. So here we go, random variable, and that random variable is going to be A, it's going to be B, C, D and E. The random variable has a value between 1 and 2, so it can be either 1 or 2. If the value is 1, put the LED 1 will come on. If the value is 2, LED 2 will come on. So let's just join those up, and that, apologies, X opposed to C. I'm going to put in 5 of these boxes and then double click and change the random variable to B, C, D and E. There we are. So has G3 been pressed? Push to make 1. Yes, we've created our random variables. Okay, what do we do next? We're going to go to the compare function. Where's that? Compare. And the compare function is going to be a mathematical expression which says A equals 1. A equals 1. And then of course we've got a yes or a no off that. If A equals 1, and then we have an output that push to make 1 comes on, which we know is G4. Once it's come on, we then want to turn it off. We want to turn it off, so I'm just going to make all of those 0 and put a short waiting time in there. I didn't put a wait command in here, I don't think. No, I'm going to put a half second. Okay, so we've got compare A. If A equals 1, push to make 1 comes on. If A doesn't equal 1, push to make 2 comes on. Not at present, because of course we've still got that as push to make 1, that's push to make 2 there, isn't it? Okay, so compare it, and then we're going to have the correct sequence of lights coming on. Once we've done that once, we need to connect that. We're going to put in again, but of course the compare function here needs to be B. Compare function needs to be C, D and E. just join these legs up. Okay. Once that's done that, I'm going to take it back round to the start. I'm going to take it. Doesn't like it at the edge of the screen very much. Okay. And just like before, I'm going to put that down there. And we need to join up, of course, the generation and the output, which is that. So I think that's the first part of our program. I just want to make sure that works on our practice boards first. So I'm going to run it virtually. There's a problem here, and the problem is we've not connected that there. So let's just play that again. That seems to be working okay. Let's just put G3 on. Off it goes, producing the pattern, and that pattern will be simulated in here. Ooh, that's not so good, is it? Just going to see if that was a coincidence, or whether we've done an error. Yeah, I think it was an absolute coincidence. So that's working okay. All right, next up, I'm just going to go and grab my practice board and I'm going to plug that in. Okay, so just so you can see, there's a practice board, plug it in. See up here it's flickering. We can run live on here. Initiating, downloading, and go to the camera. Pull that out, and we should get a sequence of flashes. Brilliant. And that's the first part of this demonstration. Alright, so let's go for